Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Okay, I hope this is what I think it is. I got a box from Amazon. I got 2 boxes coming. Both of them I'm going to do a video. So hopefully this is the one, the first one. And it's upside down. That's all right. Let's set that down. It is Hydroponics Growing System Indoor Garden by Garden Cube. And I just really want to thank, this was part of the challenge that the Vineyard Chicks, Lazy Days Ahead, and Bushcraft family does. And so I want to thank them. I won that by watching the videos in that collaborative, the Seed Savers Collaborative 2025. So I'm gonna open it up here. And I think Bob and Lori donated it, so I also want to thank Bob and Lori. That box. I am excited to try this and do this. I've never done hydroponics before, so it'll be something really new for me to try. Jesse said it doesn't come with a basil, so I'll have to get my own basil. That is so cool. Oh, I love it. All right, I'm going to read the instructions and I'm going to get this set up. Thank you, everybody. So in here, it came with some hydroponic plant food. Seed pod. Not sure what those are. Doesn't say. We'll have to actually get the instructions out on this. Those are some growing trays. There's some plug-in stuff. All right, see if I can get this set up. Fun. So I hope to have several videos of what I'm doing with the hydroponics garden. But thank you so much to everyone involved in that collab. And have a great day, Rebel Canners. On the Superb website, save 10% with the code RebelCanners10.
Like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.